Hey guys, yeah, it's such a rainy day. Oh man, yeah, it's such a rainy day. I don't know. For some reason, it had to rain now. No, it's like you could imagine all this rain pouring down, people getting into this mess. Rain is really messy and it's wet. No, I get now that water is wet, because if it wasn't wet, we wouldn't feel it. So that pressure is wet. Yeah. So since water is wet, not dry, that's what I believe. I would say, yeah, there's nothing really much to water, because in conclusion, water is very wet. So let's just say now it's raining, I get to stay more indoors. Yeah, and all that raindrops is on the windowsill, so, and the bus mirror. Yeah. Go that window there. Yeah. Hoy en día, te lo digo por mis amigos que trabajaron conmigo, que solo son maestros. Yep, dismissal from school today, so yeah, school buses are out. Yeah, dismissal from school. It's so awesome. We got a 3-day weekend because of Dr. Luther King Jr. birthday. So yeah, his yep. Due to his birthday, we got a 3-day weekend, and then we come back Tuesday. And then that Tuesday, I gotta go back to class and get ready for session. Oh boy, phew. Oh man, high school is a lot, man. I'll tell you. I don't know, but high school's a lot. Now I gotta, do a lot of projects and more schoolwork. It gets so frustrating at times, but it's alright. I'll get used to it. I'll fight it off, I'm not that type of hard guy. Hay una mesa electoral que es la que tiene más gente. Ellos le tiran a esas mesas. Que su presidente sea. Yeah. La mesa 23. Yo te ofrezco esto. Si ganamos, sin discusión. Wow. ¿Y cuál es la garantía que tú me vas a dar? Entonces empezamos a reunirnos con gente del partido grande. Y yo, ok, vamos arriba. Entonces fui a la Junta Central, cogí el examen, porque ellos te dan un examen para ver tu capacidad. La Junta Central Electoral, no sé si tú llegaste a trabajar. Oh man. No. Cuando tú vas a la Junta Central Electoral, en los tiempos que van a bregar ya, que está próximo a la elección y cosas así, de cualquier tipo de elección. Bye now. Presidente,